Well, tax season kicks off this week, and as you're filling out your forms, you'll notice some changes.
This is the first year tax filers will be required to disclose their health care status. News 8's Keely Arthur joins us now with what you need to know before you file.
Accountants have spent long hours preparing for what the IRS officials say could be the most confusing tax season yet. This year, taxpayers will have to fill out more forms than ever, depending on their health care status.
I have an appointment with Jason Steinhoff.
For Darlena Klein, filing taxes is a complicated task.
I'm afraid I might miss something or there's something I didn't put in there right.
That's why she goes to a certified public accountant at Frankie and Turnbull in La Crosse to help her properly declare income, withholdings, and now health insurance.
I don't even know what form you're supposed to use for that.
Thanks to her status,
Did you have health insurance the entire year for 2014?
Yes.
Klein and most people insured through work will simply have to mark it down on a tax form.
They'll check the box, they've had employer health insurance, their family's covered.
However, for those who don't have health insurance or bought it through the marketplace, there will be more paperwork to fill out.
It's a pretty big change, I would say.
People with insurance through healthcare.gov will need to fill out a 1095A form showing that they have coverage. If their income changed or they wrote down the wrong amount when applying for insurance, they will need to fill out an additional tax credit form.
If you estimated incorrectly, you might be paying back some of that credit, or you might be expecting a little credit back.
Those who are completely uninsured will have to pay a penalty of about $95 or 1% of their income, whichever is greater.
That's per person and then per month.
Yeah.
Klein is relieved she is not in the same boat as millions of people who aren't insured and will have to fill out additional forms.
I have friends that have to do that. Yeah. So as of right now, we're lucky. We have insurance and we're covered.
Now, if you aren't insured because you truly couldn't afford it, you could be exempt from having to pay penalties by going to healthcare.gov and filling out a form and submitting it to the IRS.
All right, thank you very much, Keely. If you still need health care coverage, open enrollment is still available through February 15th.